Our big international focus, Islamabad has slammed the US over Pentagon's latest report on security instability in Afghanistan and claimed that allegations that Pakistan is running terror sanctuaries against India and Afghanistan on its soil are unsubstantiated. The government summoned US Ambassador Richard Olson to raise concerns over the latest Department of Defense report that has been sent to the US Congress. Pakistan's Foreign Office said that despite Pakistan's cooperation with the US in areas of mutual interest, the recently released report carries unsubstantiated allegations on the existence of terror sanctuaries in Pakistan. It also denied charges that it had given a free hand to proxy forces to plot against Afghanistan and India on its soil. The Indian government, meanwhile, welcomed the report, saying it's an acknowledgement of Pakistan's involvement in international terrorism. Let's get a word from our correspondent Hamza Amir, who's with us live from Islamabad this morning. Good morning, Hamza. Pakistan registering its protest, summoning the US ambassador, but this has come as a huge embarrassment for Islamabad.
Pakistan actually does not really care too much on what international reports actually talk when Pakistan has to be spoken about in negative terms. Hafiz Saeed as a head money also, given by the United States. Hafiz Saeed, along with the two of his people, are on the terror list, and also people like Dawood Ibrahim and other terrorist groups which are operating here have repeatedly been highlighted by the United States and the international community that they should be captured with immediate effect. While you see in Pakistan, it's a different story. Hafiz Saeed is openly moving around, and the same goes for many other terror groups. Now, Pentagon coming up and saying that Pakistan is harboring proxy war against India on its borders, it's something that hits back at Pakistan very badly, because Pakistan has been talking about the line of control issues, has been talking about Indian provocations for long. It's been trying to internationalize the issue as much as possible, and it actually has clammed back onto Pakistan. So I think Pakistan has pushed itself, in a very difficult situation in front of the international community, because this report certainly highlights a very important role that Pakistan is not playing in the war on terror.
Hamza, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more developments. A major embarrassment for Islamabad there, the US slamming it for running terror sanctuaries.